Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for viewing my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please consider because it's all free and it helps my channel. Well, today I'm gonna repair the top ring for my spinning rod. I mean, it's still working, but it's still a bit bent and bashed about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repair it. And yes, you can take it to a tackle shop. Yes, they will change it. But I had to go with some of my other rods to change it, and it's not as difficult as you think it is. The other rings, like these ones here, they're a bit more difficult to do, but the top ring is quite reasonably easy. So right, what do I need? Well, I need something to heat it up. I got a little Bunsen burner here. Then I'm gonna use hot glue gun to put the new ring on there, the top eye. I actually bought a whole selection. They're all top eyes for different sizes, and they're from 9KM, and the whole box was only 16 pounds. And top rings, and they're actually lined. Let's get one out. They're actually ceramic lined, and they're solid metal, so they look like good quality. But they always get bashed about, they always get bent, and all sorts of things are happening to them, and you drop the rod, and so anyway, I'm gonna change it. But you also, instead of a Bunsen burner, you could heat it up on the stove. Normally they should come up very easily. I know this one will, because this the second time I already changed it. First time it was a bit, I got it off, so but I don't know what glue, or I don't think they use epoxy, because if you use epoxy you have to cut it. You have to cut a piece of the tip, then use a slightly larger diameter. But I got it off, so that's the second one already on there, and it's already been bashed about. And so yeah, so we're going to do it. But also what you can do when you finish, I haven't got any more, but you can get the electrical shrinking sleeves you can put on top, and then you use some heat and you can really seal them. I can show you on another one. Yeah, you just can see it on this one here, which is the ring I replaced not too long ago, and I put a nice electrical shrink. I don't know what the proper name is. So basically it's like a sleeve, you put it on there and you heat it up, and it really shrinks and makes it watertight. So great stuff. Also what we need is a pair of pliers, because the ring is going to be hot. So just be better safe than sorry, so we can grip it with this one. So okay, let's get started. Okay, here we go. I don't know how well that's gonna go. Okay, this. You only need to warm it slightly. There it also comes. So, and here it is. Okay. Now it's not that hot. So, okay. Right, now we're going to clean it up first. Right. Just got a little bit of sandpaper here. Just turn a little bit, just trying to get everything off, get it nice and clean. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. Right, now we just got to find the right size. Fits. There we go. Saves you measuring it. That's a good fit. That's a good fit. Let's see if we're gonna go one smaller. Yeah, it's too small. So this one is the right fit for it. Yeah, that's the right fit for it. Right. Let's go inside. Yeah, I mean you can even get one with a, I don't know, you can fit up one with a, no. That will do. So, okay. Right, the glue gun is hot. The glue gun is hot, I think. Right. There you go, just go down there. Now just push it on. Just line it up. That looks good. Now we're just gonna get the excess off. Make sure it's nice and tight. As I said, you could put the sleeve on there and have a nice watertight seal, but I haven't got any more. So, and that's basically it. You just let it dry, let it cool down, which is very, very quick. Let's unplug this. Yes, you can use a different glue or things like that, but the thing is, if it breaks again, and then you might end up have to cut it, and then so. But this way, it's so quick, yeah. And so there you go. It's already tight, already cooled down, and now ready to go. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, thanks again for watching, and I hope you found it useful. Any comments, leave them below. I know different people do it a different way, or say with the top ring, it's quite straightforward, but with the other rings, it's a bit more complicated. I wouldn't touch it because I haven't got the tools and the right I think the right glue, and so. But it's usually the top rings for me that get banged about and broken, and so. Well, like it if you enjoyed what you watched. Leave a comment, subscribe, and we see you on the next episode. Thank you. Bye. You.